So I know a lot of people out there have one of these older Dyson cordless vacuums, and they just really don't hold the charge as they used to. So I want to show you a quick little hack on how you can bring it back to life. What you do is you have to remove the original battery that it came with. And on Amazon, you can buy one of these adapters. And so you can just then put it in. And you'll notice this is an adapter, so it doesn't have its own battery. It's actually an adapter for DeWalt batteries, these power tool batteries. This is the Flex Volt, 60 volts, but you could also use their 20 volt line. So let's go ahead and test this out. The great thing about switching it to one of these kind of batteries is you could have it on the max level and be able to do your whole house and not run out of any power. So great little hack if you already have one of these batteries. They also make them for Milwaukee batteries. So you can find those adapters on Amazon and bring your old Dyson back to life.